abebembeza barukura abahingi b'ebikwijo kurwo myanya nka Buganda, Busoga na Bunyoro n'abakubigura betabira mukoro gwo kuta omukono aha kiragiro ky'ebikwijo. Ombigambo bye Purezidenti Museveni ashabira ko habaho inkwatano hagati y'abahingi b'ebikwijo n'abarukubigura ekiri kwiza kuyamba kutungura sugarcane industry.
If you don't want to kill this industry, you should all cooperate because if you don't cooperate, the sugar factories will collapse, and once they collapse, even you farmers will have nowhere to sell the sugar. But also, it is not good for the sugar processors but in our language we say kusera to under reward. The kusera is to under reward the sugarcane growers.
Ishengero ry'ihangara kahinguze kiragire cyo kwezo kwa hwire bayimaye mpanura ezo kwebuzaho ezayitabirwemo abahingi b'ebikwijo abarukubigura abanyishengero kurwo myanya iri kwinga ebikwijo nka Buganda, Bunyoro, Busoga na Acholi.
The processors get more value from the cane than just sugar. They also get ethanol, they get electricity. So I think this is a good formula now. I can now sign the law. Now, finally, even with this formula, because you remember, I've got my banaku, my banaku of 2 acres per family.
Itekeri niriza kubanerehereza sugarcane industry stakeholders council amani akandi kanseji neza kubaneshitamwaho abebembezi b'abahingi b'ebikwijo bana abarukubigura bashatu abahandiki bakuru ku rwo ministry y'obuhingi n'ebyesente naza kuba natebwa henshaho sugar development fund kurwa ombahingi b'ebikwijo abarukubigura era yambe kwemereza ho sugar industry stakeholders council. Gasha kwa Abdul Karim Sengendo.